Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 9th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is number system. So we have discussed the questions given in the exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 as well as 1.5. Now we will discuss the questions of exercise 1.6. This exercise is based on the exponents, and some rules are there for the exponent. Suppose if the numbers are given in the form of a raised to power m into a raised to power n, if the bases are same and the powers are different, then we are supposed to add the powers. At the same time, if the same bases are there and we are supposed to divide, bases are same and the powers are, means the exponents are different, then we are supposed to subtract. At the same time, if the condition is given like this, a raised to power m whole raised to power n, then it will be a raised to power m n. If it is given 1 upon a raised to power minus m, then we can write that a raised to power plus m. So these are some of the rules which we are supposed to keep in our mind while solving the questions. So we will start with question number 1, in which we are supposed to find the values of some of the numbers given in the exponential form. Suppose first question is there and first part is there, that is 64 raised to power 1 upon 2. So first of all we are supposed to find the other form of prime factorization form of 64. So we can do like this: 2 32 2 16 2 8 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja, like this. So how many times 2 is being repeated here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we will write like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 raised to power 1 upon 2. Because 64 we can write like this: 2 2 ja 4 4 2 ja 8 8 2 ja 16 16 2 ja 32 32 2 ja 64, means we have not changed the values of 64. From here we can write 2 raised to power how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 whole raised to power 1 upon 2. I told you if the numbers are given in the form of a raised to power m whole raised to power n, then the answer will be a raised to power m into n. So here m is 6 and n is 1 by 2. So we can write like this: 2 raised to power 6 into 1 by 2. So 2 3 ja 6, means it is 2 raised to power 3, means the answer will be 2 into 2 into 2 2 2 ja 4 4 2 ja 8. I hope that you have understood the question. We have used one rule, that is a raised to power m raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m n. At the same time we will discuss the next question, that is 32 raised to power 1 upon 5. raised to power 1 upon 5. So we can write 32 like this: 32 2 16 ja 2 8 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. So we can write 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 ja 4 4 2 ja 8 8 2 ja 16 16 2 ja 32. The same thing is there and the power is 1 upon 5. From here we can write 2 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5, 2 raised to power 5 whole raised to power 1 upon 5. Again we are using the same rule, that is a raised to power m whole raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m into n. So we will apply that rule into this. So it becomes 2 raised to power 5 into 1 upon 5. 5 will cancel out 5, it becomes 2 raised to power 1. 2 raised to power 1 means it is 2. So this is the second part. So similarly we can do such type of questions. One more part is there, we will discuss that. 9 raised to power 3 upon 2. 9 raised to power 3 upon 2. 9 raised to power 3 upon 2. 9 we can write like this, 3 is 9, 3 into 3 9. So this power 3 upon 2. Again we can write 3 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 3 upon 2. Again we will use the same thing, a raised to power m whole raised to power n will be a raised to power m into n. So here the answer will be 3 raised to power 2 into 3 upon 2, means 2 will cancel out 2 and the answer will be 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. So this is the answer of that question. At the same time we will also discuss that if the questions are like that, the question number 2, first part, question number 2, first part, that is 2 raised to power 2 upon 3, 2 raised to power 2 upon 3 into 2 raised to power 1 upon 5. Here the bases are same and the exponents are different. So if this is like this, a upon m into a upon n, then answer will be a power m plus n. Powers will be added. So the answer will be 2 raised to power 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. That will be equals to 2 raised to power, the LCM of 3 and 5 will be 15, 3 5 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10 plus 5 3 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3. So we can write the answer in this form, 2 raised to power 10 plus 3, 13 upon 15. Like this we can try the questions of this exercise. At the same time one different question is there in which 7 raised to power 1 by 2 into 8 raised to power 1 by 2. Here we can see the powers are same and the numbers are different. So if the numbers are like that, a raised to power m into b raised to power m, means the exponents are same and the numbers are bases are different, then we can say a into b raised to power m. So here the answer will be 7 into 8 raised to power 1 by 2 and the answer will be 8 7 is 56, 56 raised to power 1 upon 2. I hope that you have understood these methods, how to proceed such type of questions, and the information is there that tomorrow is Saturday and day after tomorrow there is Sunday. On Saturday and Sunday there will be no online classes, and on Monday there is the festival, that is Raksha Bandhan. So on Raksha Bandhan also there will be no online classes. So again we will be there in front of you with the new videos on Tuesday. Till then you are having the 3 days time, so you are supposed to practice the questions given in the previous exercises as well. Exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 and 1.6 we are solving right now. So you are supposed to solve the questions of this exercise as well, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. How many questions you can solve, you should try that. So we will be back with the new video on Tuesday. Till then you are supposed to practice and you are not supposed to waste time. Thank you very much.